I'm Sean Barbor, and you're watching The Great American Build-Off.
Right here on Binder TV.
Today on The Great American Build-Off, we're back in Iowa, and we're checking in with the team at Anything Scout to see the progress that they've made on their 1972 Scout 2.
The Great American Build-Off is brought to you in part by Honest Speed Shop, Old Iron Off-Road, Schneider Racing Cams, Scout Lightline Distributors, and Bushwhacker Fender Flares.
Hey guys, I'm Kendra Summer, and welcome to The Great American Build-Off. The last time we paid a visit to Sean Barbor's shop, they were dragging their build-off project through the snow. So today, we're circling back and finding out about the progress made at Anything Scout.
Since last time we brought it in, we got it all torn down. That's kind of the first step in our process, get it torn down. Did our inspection, we kind of looked through all the individual parts, like how are the seams on the bottom of the doors, like blah, 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 door gaps. We kind of just check, pre-inspect all that stuff so we know how to better put it back together.
The rear axle was in worse shape than we thought, but that's not a big deal. It's pretty easy to rebuild those, so.
Frame went to powder coat, and in that process we do like our exhaust hangers, all that kind of stuff. So the frame's fully prepped out and waiting to get blasted. So that's the next phase on the body.
Digging deeper into this project, Sean's team actually made a cool discovery about this binder's past.
We actually discovered that it has like some military roots. There was just some badging and different things for the military, which is pretty cool. And it's early. I think we said it was a 72, but I think it's actually a 71.
Now it turns out the other secrets being carried around in the Scout are not necessarily bad ones.
For the most part, there haven't been any real big surprises. It's a really clean truck, so.
But one thing that's not secret to this shop is a stiff competition from the other three shops.
So I think IH Parts America has a 13-year head start on us for this project, but
they're all cool. The Ishmael's Travelall is a beast of a project, but I have to say the one that I'm most excited about is Super Scout Specialist, their SS2 Midas edition. Just because it's so rare, so iconic. Scoutco and Anything Scout, we're building something that's pretty similar, so that'll be cool. It's gonna be cool to see them all kind of get fleshed out.
At the end of the day, a lot of other people build great stuff too, and I think we all appreciate all of it.
A lot of them have been doing it for much longer than we have, so we're glad to meet those people and see their work and see how we can make our work better, so.
You gotta love that even though these teams are competing for a title at Scout Nationals, they're still big fans of what their IH families are building in shops all around the country. And coming up next episode, we'll return to the man that's referred to as the godfather of the Scout. Yes, we're back at John Glancy's Super Scout Specialist to see if he's got the Midas touch for his Scout 2 build. I'm Kendra Summer. Thanks for watching The Great American Build-Off.
Oh, for Pete's sakes, Kendra.